So this is the Australian freshwater yabby. The armour, it's the claws, they're just really heavy metal. They can withstand a variety of conditions, from like murky, turbid water to crystal clear waters, and they eat basically anything and everything. If you found a yabby in the wild and it was missing one of its claws, you would know that it's either had a run-in with a predator or it's been in a fight with another yabby, and the bigger yabby with the bigger claws has come out on top because it's been able to snip the other guy's claw off, which is intense. So the scientific name of a yabby is Carax destructor. They were given this name due to the tendency of them to sort of destroy the walls and the embankments of the waterways in which they live. So the creeks and dams that they live in, they're burrowing into the walls and sort of destroying the structural integrity of the landscape. And they have that exoskeleton, their skeleton on the outside of their bodies, that is made of a really rigid, hard material. So it's basically a suit of armour that they've got constantly on. They have 2 pincers or claws at the front of their bodies that are sometimes bigger than their own heads. Yabbies are aggressive and territorial, and they're just moody all the time. They will snip you if given the chance. Being an invertebrate, they are spending their whole life shedding this exoskeleton and growing a little bit bigger each time. So that's how we see yabbies of varying sizes in a particular ecosystem at once, is because you're seeing babies, juveniles, adolescent, teenagers, and then adults. Predators of yabbies are usually larger fish. They've got those really large claws, and they use those sort of like a sword of sorts to be able to wield against predators. But they are actually still a vulnerable species with habitat degradation and the changing climate that we are experiencing. I think humans are one of the biggest predators towards these yabbies. They might seem as like these little moody, sad little monsters, but they are very small and quite vulnerable, especially to the environment that they're in, and want to be safe and in their little burrows all the time. That they're just small, cute little angry dudes.